everyone, I'm Dr. Madhumita. You know me as Medico Madhu. Today I'm going to talk to you about a watchman, Mr. Ramasamy. Mr. Ramasamy is a watchman by profession. He has a lot of financial crisis. So he works in the morning in a big apartment. He does his job and then again he goes home, has food, and night time he goes to a villa area and he does his night duty as well as a watchman. Ramasamy slowly notices that there is a prominence of some red thing on his leg, like a worm. He ignores it initially, but later on it becomes really painful, it becomes itchy, and one fine day he notices that it just burst and it started to bleed. That was when he went to the doctor and he came to know that he had varicose veins. Now, what is a varicose vein? Varicose vein is basically your vein that is becoming more prominent, and it is because it has become loose. It has lost its elasticity. The elasticity has come down. Why does it occur? Because of incompetence. So, who are all at risk of developing this? Like in our story, Mr. Ramasamy is a watchman. What does he do? He stands for a long time. That doesn't mean we are all safe. We sit for a long time with our leg hanging down. We are equally at risk. Anyone with their leg put down towards the gravity for a long time is at risk. As you age, you are at risk. If you are an obese person, you are at risk. If you are a pregnant woman, you are at risk. Women in general have higher risk as compared to men. So how are we going to prevent this? Simple measure. Even when you are standing for a long time, in between, you just sit in Vajrasan pose, or you just fold your leg, kneel down for a few seconds, or you try to keep your leg elevated when you are sleeping or when you are sitting. Let's say you have a work that demands you to stand, then you will have to start wearing compressive stockings from before. So how is this stocking going to help you? See, you have a defective vein, so definitely wearing stockings will prevent you from developing varicose veins. So you have already developed varicose veins. You have to undergo a treatment. The treatment option varies. What are the options available? Of course, we have discussed about the compressive stocking. Other than that, you have laser treatment and various procedures available. Once you have a varicose vein, definitely you are at a risk of developing it once again. So you will have to get this condition treated and you have to prevent further episodes. Please remember, it does have a family history. That is, if your mother has, you definitely have a tendency to develop. Your father has, you definitely have a tendency to develop a varicose vein. So be cautious as much as possible. Can we leave varicose vein without treatment? Kindly don't do that mistake because it can result in complications. What are the complications? It can result in ulcer. Like in our story, there is bursting of the vessel itself. So that is again a complication. It can go to deeper vein called as deep vein thrombosis. It can spread higher up to your lungs, resulting in pulmonary vein thrombosis, again embolism. To prevent all these complications and life-threatening conditions, it's better to get it treated, even better to prevent it.